What's up viewers, hope you are well. Today Self-Help Care presenting a new video about pilonidal cysts. Pilonidal cysts is very painful and annoying. Don't know how much of you suffered from this or not. In this video you can see some home remedies for pilonidal cysts. So keep watching, be healthy and happy. This is our YouTube channel Self-Help Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Don't forget to like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. How to get rid of pilonidal cysts. Mild cases of pilonidal cysts resolve naturally and require little treatment. However, in some cases, prolonged treatment as well as surgery may be needed to reduce the size of cysts and prevent infection. Let's start some home remedies for pilonidal cysts. First one, warm compresses. Applying warm compresses to the affected area is very effective. A warm compress will also help the fluid and pus accumulated within the cysts to drain quickly and the healing process will begin. However, warm compresses will not prevent the growth of pilonidal cysts. In second, apple cider vinegar. Using apple cider vinegar can also help to treat pilonidal cysts. Its anti-inflammatory properties helps reduce pain and inflammation. In addition, the antiseptic and antibacterial nature of apple cider vinegar prevents bacterial growth that can trigger further infection and delay the healing process. For making it, mix 2 or 3 teaspoons of organic, raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in half cup of warm water. Soak a cotton ball and place it directly on the affected area for about 1 minute. Repeat this remedy 3 or 4 times daily for a few days. Next one, Epsom Salt. Epsom salt has several healing properties that will help reduce and heal the cysts very quickly. The magnesium sulfate in it can aid the expulsion of pus from the cysts. It will also relieve associated pain and inflammation. For making it, add 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt into 1 to 2 cups of warm water. Mix thoroughly until the salt granules dissolve completely. Soak a cotton ball in this solution and apply it on affected area for 20 to 30 minutes. Repeat once daily for several days. Last one, castor oil. Castor oil has high anti-inflammatory properties that help relieve pain and reduce inflammation associated with pilonidal cysts. For making it, soak a cotton ball in warm castor oil, apply it on the affected area and secure the cotton ball with a bandage. Reapply 2 or 3 times daily using a fresh soaked cotton ball and fresh bandage each time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.